So yes guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Right now I am at garden, kind of garden. So if you new on this channel and if you don't know me, so my name is Aryan Singh and I am here to improve my English, and my only goal is to improving my English, and you have to also copy and paste me. Like whatever the way I used to learn English, you have to use that way to learn English. Okay. So it's a day 10 of learning English, and the topic is today why people overthink too much. Oh my god, oh why it's a really hot day today, but at the evening, little bit of air it's going on. So yeah, let on to the topic. Let me sit here. Oh yes. So why people overthink too much? See, the people who didn't work is the only people who overthink the most. If you are working, if your schedule is very good and you are working out there, whatever you want to do, you don't have a time to overthink for such thing. It's gonna be work or not. I know overthink. People overthink. Lot of people overthink. It's not necessary. No one is doing overthink. But if you are doing not any work, if you are doing not any work, you will be overthink a lot while a day in while you are going to sleeping before the bed, you are going to overthink. But if you are working out, what's your work like? My dream is to become a creator or either become a cricketer, and I do work consistently every day. Why should I overthink? Is it working or not? Yeah, I overthink sometime. I'm not like overthink. I'm just realizing whether it's work or not. Sometime. But if you are working on your work, you will not have a time to overthink that such kind of stuff. So it's very important to have your goal. It's very important to do your work on a daily basis. Believe in process. So there are two type of people. A1 having a dream, B having a dream. But A, he's having a dream, he's working out there, he's work on his dream. But the person B, who just saying I have a dream, but he's not working out there for your on his for his dream. So there is two people. The people B is gonna be overthink a lot because he's not working out there, and people A, he he is not going to overthink what will gonna be good or not. So that's the different thing. So it's a different kind of stuff. So this is the reason why people overthink too much. If you are working out, if you work on yourself, if you work on dream which you have created in a childhood, so you have to put your 100% on your work. It will gonna be a work on day, and this is same I telling myself every day when I used to do overthink. uh, I'm trying to not overthink anything about my life, about my career. But yes, sometimes it's happened, but it's okay to happen that type of overthink. You have to put your 100% on your work. So you don't have a time to think about that overthinking. You're gonna be overthinking at night. But nowadays a lot of people doing overthink. But in my suggestion, you will not have to overthink on yourself. Just do your work and enjoy and get a time with yourself. It's very necessary. Talk with yourself and figuring out what you're gonna be do. So I hope I clear this topic, why people overthink too much. So yes, that's it for the day. Oh, looks how beautiful. Before 4 months, before 2 months, there is a dumb area, and now it's become a garden. So you all have to do is to shape your body. That's the only thing you have to do need. So yeah, I'm going to do a walking, little bit of walking outside. That's it for the day. We will meet. I'm before I opening my camera. I I don't I what I'm gonna say. I'm not in mood, but aside this thing, let it be shoot 5 minutes a day. So yeah, just completed my work. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of your health. Bye bye.